Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add timestamps in YouTube videos. The process is quite simple and easy. Move to the description of your video and write the description for your video. After writing the description, it's time to add a timestamp for your video. Just do the same like me. For example, I will add a timestamp here. Write your timestamp like I already wrote in my notepad, and I'll paste it. So these are the timestamps. Before adding the timestamps, you need to remember three things. The first thing is that the timestamp should start from 0:00. The next thing is the timestamp should be more than 10 seconds. And the third thing is that there will be more than 3 timestamp in your video. Then they will work. Also, you can write the name for your timestamp, like first the timestamp 0:00. I'll write intro, and for the others, you can write by yourself. For example, I am writing. After writing the names for your timestamp, the last thing to do is tap on the Save option. Now, I will show you how timestamps work. I'm tapping on this link to play the video. If we tap on this option more, scroll down, so you can see from here are the timestamps. And if someone taps on this timestamp, the video will start from that exact time. For example, I will tap on this 0:30, so you can see from here that the video starts from that exact 0:30. So by using this method, you can add timestamps to your YouTube video. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We are eager to hear from you.